Hello guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. And in today's video I have something great in mind, but before we start, why don't you like and hit that subscribe button just down here. It's not too far, you can do this guys. Let's do it together in 5 4 3 2 1. Good job guys. Now in today's video, I'm not feeling well today. I'm having a cough. And anytime I cough, my brother's face goes more like this. So I'm going to be coughing 20 times in front of his face to see how he reacts. If you're ready for it, please hit that like button and subscribe to our channel. Now let's get started.
Get out! Stop it! I mean, you go from me. You go from me. Nana Bello, what is it? Huh? Nana Bello, what is it? Huh? I'm just coughing.